Hey, this is Pierre Draco talking. How does the post in different teams is working? What are the consequences? What do you need to know? There's some limitations here you really need to understand. And so first I'm gonna do a demonstration or just you share a post in different teams, and then I'll go through the different limitations. So to do that, in the new Teams, you have to click on the settings on top of your post, and you can say multiple channels. So when we say multiple channels, it's not just within a team. You can obviously post in different teams. So to do that, you just have to select the channels of the team you want to make the post. So here I'm gonna put it in this general demo PDL. So I'm gonna put it demo and I'm gonna put it here, and I'm gonna put it also in the same team in a different channel. So that's how you can add a post in different teams. That's pretty easy. So that's the first thing, but we'll see what comes after when we do modification deletion. But what about add mentioning? So here I can add mention the team or tag, whatever. But here's the first problem. Here, when I do that, it's gonna add mention my team here, but when I'm gonna post here, this add mention doesn't make any sense to this team. So that's one limitation. The second limitation is when I add attachment. So let's take a document here and let's put it in the post. So when you do that, it's gonna go into the file tab here. And so that means it's stored in this channel, general channel, in this team. But if people here are not the same than here, there's only me who's in both, then people won't be able to access to this file. So there's going to be a problem. So I'm going to show you after how you change this. So here I can do the post and we'll see what comes out of it. So here the post has been posted. You can see first that you can, over in here, you can see where it was posted. It was posted in the demo PDL general channel and this demo remote workforce HR and general channels. So it tells you wherever you are. And so we can check that in HR, there's the same post, it says the same thing, and in general, cross team, it's exact same thing. So first, you need to know that if the one who posted the message, you can change the message from wherever you want. So here, I'm going to edit it, and I'm going to say, I'm just going to add a one in front of it. And so I'm just going to do repost. And if I go back here, it has changed. You go here, it has changed too. So now, so the add mention here doesn't mean anything in this team. So, it doesn't help people to have that. So maybe you want to post and then reply with the add mention to all team in each channel. I wish there will be something like everyone a tag, some sort of tag is common to every team. Um, maybe it will come one day. If you have another tip to add mention every team, let me know. But I'm not aware of that. But now the problem is more with the document. So the document, here I can access because I have access to both teams. But if somebody was in this team and not in this team, when they click on the document, they will see a message, an error here. If they click on this document, they will see a message error saying, you cannot access to this team, and you can request to have access. But then that's a bit complicated. You have 10,000 people in the team and all asking, requesting to have access to the documents. That's going to be a lot of email. So how do you manage that? So actually, you need to go into the file, and here you need to manage access to this file and extend access to this file. So to do that, it's a little bit complicated, but not everyone is publishing announcement in different teams. So that's an advanced feature, but you need to manage access to the file, and you can see that here there are groups and you see who have access to the file, and you have the owner and you have the visitors, you have the members. But if you want to add members to be able to, let's say, to edit or just to view the document, and sometimes it's a Word document, you also have the review possibility. So to do that, you have to go there in the little grant access, and you just need to type the name of the the team you want to grant access. So demo PY and you have a group of members here, and you don't have to notify, you just have to grant access to these people. And now if you look at here, who has access to it, let's go back to manage access. You will see now you have another group, which is the Demo PDL members. So now you're good to go. People can have access to the file even if they didn't have access to the initial team or channel where the document was shared. That's the trick. It's a bit complicated, but if there's some use cases where you don't want to just share a chat, you want to also share a document, like you could do in email. You can attach a document in email and share it with different DLs. That works. So here it's a trick how to make it work in Teams. So this was insightful.